Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to take one more topic of chapter 6, which is life processes. In last lecture we have studied about the digestion. In this video we are going to study about the respiration. Let me explain simple meaning of respiration. Respiration, that means intaking oxygen enter into organism body and carbon dioxide goes out. Respiration is performed by both plant and animal. You might be thinking what the photosynthesis process is. So let me clear your doubt. Photosynthesis process is a process which takes place at the daytime when plant take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But at the night time, plant perform respiration. At the night time, plant take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. That's why it is suggested that at night time we should not sleep under the tree. This is only the reason. See, respiration is performed by both plant and animal, and meaning is very clear. During respiration process, only one thing takes place. Oxygen enter and carbon dioxide goes out. And during respiration, only derivation of energy takes place. So you might be thinking, in plant also derivation of energy takes place during the respiration? Yes. So what about photosynthesis? See, during photosynthesis, plant make food or it synthesis food. But if plant want to utilize that food, it must have to convert that food into energy. And that conversion of energy takes place at the night time. So meaning of respiration is very much clear. A process of acquiring oxygen, that means to take oxygen. Why we are taking oxygen? To break down food. See here, food, that means after digestion, whatever food we have, we are talking about that food. The process of acquiring oxygen to break down food. food को break करना क्यों जरूरी है? To derive energy is called respiration. See, we know very well that we are heterotrophs. So mainly in heterotrophs, these 5 processes takes place. Ingestion, intaking of food, जो फूड हम डायरेक्ट मुंह में लेते हैं, माउथ के थ्रू हमारे एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में एंटर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंजेशन. देन डाइजेशन, दैट वी हैव स्टडीड इन लास्ट वीडियो. ड्यूरिंग डाइजेशन, फूड ब्रेक डाउन एंड वेरियस न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर डाइजेस्टेड फ्रॉम द फूड. नाउ हियर वी गोइंग टू स्टडी absorption and assimilation. We know ingestion takes place through mouth, digestion takes place in alimentary canal, which include mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. But this absorption and assimilation, it takes place in the cell during the process of respiration. That's why we perform cellular respiration. Let me explain. See, we know very well in small intestine all the nutrients are absorbed by the finger-like projection called villi. These all are the villi. Now whatever cell present in the villi, that all nutrients enter into the cell by the process of absorption. So these all nutrients are absorbed. Now tell me, surrounding the nucleus in the cell, what thing is present? Cytoplasm. So what are nutrients absorbed by the villi that enters into cytoplasm? In cytoplasm, derivation of energy takes place. We know very well that in cytoplasm one organelle present, that is called mitochondria. It is mitochondria. So in cytoplasm first absorption takes place and then energy derived we store in the mitochondria. Now let us study in detail about the respiration. There are two types of respiration. First aerobic, another anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. We all human perform aerobic respiration. Let us understand what exactly happens in aerobic respiration. We know after digestion, here in small intestine we have absorbed all the nutrients. Now this nutrient in the form of glucose, where it absorbed, now you know these all nutrients are absorbed in the cytoplasm. So whatever glucose it enter into cytoplasm, it have 6 carbon. Now this glucose of 6 carbon break down, it convert into pyruvate which have 3 carbon. See, this all process takes place in cytoplasm only. Here only 6 carbon molecule of glucose breaks into 3 carbon molecules which is called pyruvate. Now after preparation of pyruvate, in the cytoplasm we have mitochondria. So in the mitochondria, in the presence of oxygen, this pyruvate is converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. See, we know very well ATP is a currency of energy. See, these all 3 things are released in the cytoplasm of the cell. So you might be thinking ki, no doubt energy to we utilize. What about carbon dioxide and water? This carbon dioxide we breathe out, and with this carbon dioxide, proportion of water also come out from our body. See, just put your hand or your palm in front of your nose. After some time, you will observe some water droplets. So with the carbon dioxide, water droplets also come out, and energy derived, it is stored in the mitochondria. So this is aerobic respiration. See, whether we talk about aerobic or anaerobic respiration, in both glucose in the cytoplasm convert into pyruvate. This step is same. Check it out. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate. Because in all the organism, during respiration or after digestion, whatever thing they obtain, that is in the form of glucose. Now let us discuss anaerobic respiration. It takes place in absence of oxygen. Let us discuss in 2 medium. First, in plant medium, glucose in cytoplasm convert into pyruvate. Now here the thing gets changed. In the yeast, in the absence of oxygen, it convert into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy, that is ATP. Listen, this ethanol is nothing but liquor. लिकर मतलब दारू. दारू बनाने के लिए किसका यूज किया जाता है? यीस्ट का. तो आप ये सोचोगे आप वो ग्लूकोज कहां से ऑब्टेन करते हैं? जनरली दिस लिकर मतलब दारू में जिसकी बात कर रहा हूं, इथेनॉल की बात कर रहा हूं, वो फूड, डिकेइंग फूड में से ही बनता है और वहां से उनको मिलता है ग्लूकोज. नाउ in plant medium, this pyruvate, in the absence of oxygen in the yeast, it converts to ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. See, whatever खीरू we make for the idli dosa, आपको मालूम होगा इडली बनाने के लिए, डोसा बनाने के लिए हम बाहर से खीरू लेके आते हैं. तो वो खीरू भी कौन बनाता है? ये यीस्ट. यानी वहां पर भी जरूरी नहीं है कि यीस्ट वही एनाएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करता है. वहां पर कुछ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, वो भी एनाएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं. मतलब वो ऑक्सीजन का यूज करते नहीं है, फिर भी वो क्या रिलीज करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। इसी की वजह से जो खीरू होता है वो स्वेल यानी थोड़ा फूल जाता है। ये अलग बात है कि जो खीरू बनता है उसमें इथेनॉल नहीं होता, उसमें सिर्फ होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। चलो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। मैं आपको और एक चीज एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूं यहां पर कि जैसे हम भागते हैं, दौड़ते हैं, तो कभी भी हमारा हार्ट है वो थकता नहीं है, कभी भी नहीं। कभी हमारा लंग्स थकते नहीं है, कभी हमारा स्टमक थकता नहीं है। लेकिन हम ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो मसल पेन होता है। तो आप सोचोगे ऐसा क्यों कभी हमें इंटरनल ऑर्गन में इतना पेन डेली नहीं होता, जैसे भागने पर हार्ट में पेन नहीं होता हेल्दी पर्सन को। इसका रीजन ये है कि हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू जो उनको एनर्जी मिलती है वो यूटिलाइज करते हैं, जबकि हमारे जितने मसल सेल्स हैं, हमारे सारे मसल सेल्स में एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है। एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है मतलब वो ऑक्सीजन की एब्सेंस में एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। अब आप सोचोगे वो एनर्जी तो प्रोड्यूस कर ही रहे हैं, तो फिर क्यों थक जाते हैं। मैं यहां क्लियर करता हूं कि आफ्टर एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन 38 ATP produced, but after anaerobic respiration in our muscle cells only 2 ATP is produced. You can clearly see the difference, कहां पर 2 है और कहां पर 38। तो हमारे मसल सेल्स बहुत ही कम एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, इसलिए वो थक जाते हैं और थक के फिर हमें बैठना पड़ता है। Let us discuss anaerobic respiration in animal medium. Same, glucose in cytoplasm convert into pyruvate. See, this process is same up to pyruvate. Now here in absence of oxygen, where in muscle cells it converted into lactic acid and energy. Okay, so this is types of respiration. Mainly these equations are important. Later discuss once again कि after digestion whatever nutrient we have, so in the form of glucose where they absorb in the cytoplasm, यहां पर भी हम देख सकते हैं। So glucose has 6 carbon which absorb in the cytoplasm. It break down into 3 carbon which is called pyruvate. So it is same, glucose in cytoplasm convert into pyruvate, but in aerobic respiration this pyruvate in the mitochondria in the presence of oxygen convert into carbon dioxide, water and 38 ATP. Carbon dioxide and water we breathe out. In anaerobic respiration it takes place in absence of oxygen. In plant medium, pyruvate in yeast in absence of oxygen converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and ATP. In animal medium, glucose converted into pyruvate, then pyruvate in absence of oxygen muscle cell converted into lactic acid and energy. Thank you.